Hi everybody, welcome back to K Creations. And today I'm going to show you how to make cloud slime. This was requested by Tiger Plays Loves Slime. Tiger Plays Love Slime. And it was hashtag notification squad, so here they go. Okay, so now let me get on to this. So what you'll need is some wax and water mixed together, or if you use saline solution, whatever kind of activator you use. Some glue. I don't have a lot of glue left, so something to make it in, something to mix with. Some glitter is optional. And then for your cloud stuff, you will need your fake snow, or you could wet a diaper and cut it open. I know that sounds weird, but that's just the ways you make cloud slime stuff. So I just have like a big tub of it. So let's get started. First, you're just going to want to empty your glue out into your container. This glue is very watery. I got it on me. It's all over me. Okay. It's almost all out. Wait just a minute. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to go try to find some more glue. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and found some more glue. So this time it's Elmer's. I mean, like, I have a lot of glue bottles, but most of them like empty. So let's try to set it on the side. I'll just set it in there. Okay. And let me scoop it out of the top. It's not gonna come out. Oh, right here. It looks like we're not going to be getting a lot of slime. Just ooh, oh, okay. A lot just came out. Fill that little place. Okay. Okay. Now, oops. I'm going to mix this and add my glitter. And you don't have to add glitter. But I want to add glitter because glitter is beautiful. I am adding so much glitter, guys. Let me turn my light off so it's not as bright. Ooh, that looks weird. Now it's prettier. And it's shiny. Okay, I think that's enough glitter. Then you're just going to want to add your activator. I'm just going to mix my activator a little bit because it needs to be mixed a little bit more. And just get this off there. Oof. It's stuck to me. Okay. So mix this and then add it to there. Oops. Not a lot. I want to overactivate it. Oh, overactivate it. Wait 1 second, guys. Let me add a little bit more borax to this. I'm actually just going to add in here because There's like a big clump of water right here. Let me just add some here too. That was a lot. Oh well, look how much I added, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, but oh well. I just like mix it, scoop it, put it in here and mix. Okay. Now you want to go in with your hands. This is pretty good slime. It's not stretchy though. I wish it was, but it's not. It's probably the reason that it's not stretchy. It's because I mixed glues, and when you mix glue, sometimes it just doesn't turn out that well, but here it is. Very glittery, very shiny. Okay, then you want to take your snow and just put some in there, and then you're going to mix. At first, I know it's not going to like want to stick in there, but you just got to keep mixing. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. And it's gonna like want to fall out, but that's just what it's supposed to do. It's not gonna hurt it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some more water so that you don't have more water in there. Sorry guys, I just went and got some more water. So this will be more like slushy like. Because we don't want it too hard and then we don't want it too slushy, so. I know it looks like a fail right now, but you just gotta keep mixing. Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys. My camera cut off and I actually finished the slime. Focus, focus. Okay. I actually finished the slime and I added more glitter on the top to make it look prettier. And I didn't even realize the camera could have cut off. I am so sorry. So here it is. Really good. I put like a lot of that cloud stuff in it. But whoop, whoop. It is still really, really good. And it's not like completely finished, so it still leaves a little bit of that cloud stuff on your hands, but that can be easily wiped off the tissue. Like it wipes like straight off. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!